How to configure AI Diagnostics on Ruijie Cloud. The AI Diagnostics feature on Ruijie Cloud enables users to quickly detect and resolve network faults, ensuring rapid restoration of normal operations. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud. On the displayed web page, enter your username and password, and click Login. On the home page, click a project name. On the project page that is displayed, choose AI Networking and then AI Diagnostics. Click Try Now to start AI Diagnostics. An item highlighted in red indicates a fault. You can click on it to view fault details and solutions. This video showcases the solutions for faults like optical link abnormality, abnormal phone configuration, and offline optical terminal. Click Optical Link Abnormality. You can scroll down the page to view fault details and solutions. The fault details are as follows: abnormal receive power. This issue is usually caused by fiber connector contamination or cascaded splitting, which may result in signal loss and attenuation. To resolve the fault, verify the optical connections to ensure they are secure, clean, and free from loose connections or contamination. Verify that the optical power is within the acceptable range. Adjust the optical power if necessary. Click Abnormal Phone Configuration. You can scroll down the page to view fault details and solutions. The fault details are as follows: phone registration failed. Typically, this issue arises when the SIP phone number is not properly configured on the VoIP gateway or when the registration information is incorrect. To resolve the fault, verify that the IP address of the VoIP gateway matches registration information, and ensure consistency of the registration information between the VoIP gateway and the ONU. Click Go to Settings to access the configuration page. Verify the IP address of the VoIP gateway and click OK to deliver the configuration. You can go to the configuration page of the faulty IP phone to check whether the VoIP gateway address has updated. Click Optical Terminal Offline. You can scroll down the page to view fault details and solutions. The fault details are as follows: ONU offline. An ONU may go offline due to issues such as a faulty optical cable or an outdated device version. To resolve the fault, replace the optical cable as prompted, or upgrade the device firmware version. If you are unable to log into the ONU or perform a factory reset, click RETA on the page for online support. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.